conduct today's morning assembly. The theme of our assembly is Aim of Education. Nothing is possible without God. So I invite Therese Alfonso Joseph for the prayer song.
Lead kindly, Lord, I'm in the exciting gloom. Lead through me on. The night is dark and I am far from home. Lead through me on. Keep to my feet, I do not ask to see the distance in one step enough for me. I was not ever thus not prayer that thou shouldst lead me on. I love to choose and see my path, but now lead to me on. I love the garish day in spite of fears. Pride rule my way. Remember not past years.
Thank you, Therese. Now let us listen to a speech by Adila Nawaz on the topic Aim of Education. Welcome, Adila.
Good morning to one and all gathered here, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I would like to speak over importance of education at this great occasion in front of you. Education is very important to all of us. Our parents make us learn many things at home and then send us to school after age of 3 years. Our home is the first education institute where we learn how to behave to others and other skills. However, school education is necessary to be successful in practical life. Through school education, we learn and develop personality, mental skills, morals, and physical powers. Without proper education, one gets lack of all educational benefits in his or her life. Education is the only key to be successful in personal and professional life. Education provides us various types of knowledge and skills. It is a continuous, slow and secure process which helps us in obtaining knowledge. It is a continuous process which starts when we take our birth and ends when our life ends. We should make our habits of learning always all through the life from our teachers, parents, family members, friends and other related people in our life. We learn to become a good person and learn to live in home, society, community and friend circle. Its purpose is to develop a student a full, whole and integrated person. The main aim of education is the all-round development of a student. Education helps in achieving and developing skills, abilities and significant temper. Education also means that students are made capable of standing on their own feet and earn their bread and butter. An educated person is supposed to face the challenges successfully. No person can be called properly educated if he or she fails in making a meaningful contribution to the society and country. Let me conclude my words. Thank you and have a nice day.
Adila, that is very informative. Music is always soothing to our mind. So let us enjoy an instrumental music performance by Ryan Rafiq. Welcome, Ryan. friends. Welcome, Meera. Thank you, Meera. That is superb. Now, I invite Rafa now for a Mappalapatta. Welcome, Rafa.
അഹദിലായി പൂത്തൊരു പൂവേ ആലമിന്നസിലഞ്ചേലേ അതിബന്റെ നൂറിലെങ്കും മാരുതാ അകതാരിൽ ഇഷ്കൊരുകും ഒരു വാരിതാ അഹദോന്റെ അമ്പിലുദിച്ചേ അതു തന്നെ ഭൂവിൽ വിതച്ചേ അലമിന്റെ പോരിഷ തന്നെ അതേറെയാ അകമിൽ ഹിദായത്തേകിയ വെണ്മയാ അഹദിലായി പൂത്തൊരു പൂവേ ആലമിന്നസിലഞ്ചേലേ അതിബന്റെ നൂറിലെങ്കും മാരുതാ അകതാരിൽ ഇഷ്കൊരുകുന്നൊരു വാഹിദാ ഷജറുകൾ കലമായി ബഹുറത്തു മഷിയായി എഴുതി തീർക്കാൻ കഴിയുകയില്ല ആമത് ഹോട്ടും പറ്റുകയില്ല ഷറഫത്ത് മികവായി ഷംസിനൊളിയായി അറ്റമതില്ല നൂറിൻ പ്രഭയായി ആറ്റ റസൂലൻ മനമിരുന്തിയായി ആഗ്രഹമേറും തോയ്ബ പണി അകലയമെന്നാലും ആശ നിറഞ്ഞിടുമെന്റെ നിധി ഹൃത്തിലതെന്നാളും ആഗ്രഹമേറും തോയ്ബ പണി അകലയമെന്നാലും ആശ നിറഞ്ഞിടുമെന്റെ നിധി ഹൃത്തിലതെന്നാളും അഹദിലായി പൂത്തൊരു പൂവേ ആലമിന്നസിലഞ്ചേലേ അതിബന്റെ നൂറിലെങ്കും മാരുതാ അകതാരിൽ ഇഷ്കൊരുകുന്നൊരു വാരിതാ അത്ഭുതമതിപൻ നൽകിയ കനിയെ കാരുണ്യം മുഴുകുന്നൊരു നദിയെ ലോകം മുഴുവൻ അവരിൽ തുണയാൻ അംബുജമായ നഹദിൻ പൂത്തത് ആലിമനാകെ അനുഗ്രഹമേകി ആ തിരുവദനം മോഹമനേകി അമ്പിയ രാജാവേ നബിയെ ആശയറിഞ്ഞിടുമോ ആ തിരുശോഭയറിഞ്ഞിടുമാൻ കനിയും നൽകാമോ അമ്പിയ രാജാവേ നബിയെ ആശയറിഞ്ഞിടുമോ ആ തിരുശോഭയറിഞ്ഞിടുവാൻ കനിയും നൽകാമോ അഹദിലായി പൂത്തൊരു പൂവേ ആലമിന്നസിലഞ്ചേലേ അതിബന്റെ നൂറിലെങ്കും മാരുതാ അകതാരിൽ ഇഷ്കൊഴുകുന്നൊരു
to all respected fathers, teachers, and my dear students. Do you have an ambition? How will you fulfill it? Absolutely one answer, education. Education plays an important role to achieve our goal. It helps the students to mold one's overall personality. An educated person is supposed to face challenges of life bravely and successfully. It helps the students into a whole and integrated person. Education is not just learning to pass the test. It's about learning how to face challenges, how to think critically and creatively, how to do research, how to face yourself, how to relate to other. These are skills that nobody can take from you and you will last you for the remainder of your life. These skills are priceless. So children, education is preparing a person to face everyday life. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Miss, for your inspiring words. Now it is time to wind up our assembly. I welcome Aisha Rihanna for the school anthem.
Lo, behold, the far office, I do see my guiding light shining the stiffest, drawing me to radiance bright. Sing along, children of Ekazem, longing proclaim how you assume all your way to seats of them. Adore the Amamata say Adam. As I heard the echoes ring from high peaks to valleys low, let my heart her motto sing. Lead me on, you kindly grow. If all earth is by doing, lead us soul is always serene. Richness be their bounty sharing. Goal of life is worth my striving. As I'm growing care, all the rest should I share. To be a man is to dare, to love, to strive is my prayer. Lo, behold, the far office, I do see my guiding light shine.